is Catherine, and today I'll be demonstrating how to go about amending view margins. As a user, by the end, you'll be able to amend view margins to make your view look more sleek. So as you can see here, we've got a technology readiness levels grid view, and you can see on our Y and our X axis, we've got an attribute called status, and we've got readiness TRLs. You can see that that text overlaps with our labels. Now, to correct that so that the text is more readable on our axes, we can go ahead into our view setup and we can go ahead and navigate to where it says view margins and click edit. In here, we can start to amend the view margins to make this text more readable. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can either change to grid axis layout, and if I just demonstrate that now, what that does is that will extend this part down here so that we can now make that readable, but you lose space on that grid. So if I revert that back to 11, so there's one way you can do it using the grid axis layout. The other way that you can do it, and probably the way that I'd recommend, is using the view margins. And what we can start to do here is you can say that for the x-axis and the y-axis, we can change that text to show from inside to outside. And as I do that, like so, we can start to see the text now appears on the outside. Now you're getting one error message here, which is just saying that for the x-axis, which is going to be down here, we need to make the margin bigger than 2. So I'm going to go ahead and amend that to 4, and that corrects that. And now if I click OK and click the cross, you can now see that the status and the TRL levels read outside of that grid there, and it's all readable, and the attribute name is not overlaying with the label itself. So that's how you go about applying view margins. Thank you for listening.